This video starts with, for Chapter 1, the financial statements, and it starts with Learning Objective 5, our last learning objective for the chapter. Here we are going to actually complete financial statements and then see their relationship. We've discussed some of this previously in the chapter, but now we're going to go ahead and make sure everything is all clear. So in our income statement, we have that income statement, we have our net loss or net income, and basically here our formula for our income statement is going to be revenues minus expenses. If revenues are greater, we have a net income. If expenses are greater, we have a net loss. Now our statement of retained earnings, we know our formula starts with our beginning balance. We add our net income. We subtract dividends that are declared, and we get our ending balance, and this is the formula for the statement of retained earnings. In our balance sheet, I think we've killed it that assets equal liabilities plus earnings equity. Our accounting equation is what's recorded there. And our statement of cash flows, we've mentioned that we have our operating, investing, and financing activities, and then basically we're coming up with the ending balance in cash that gets placed on the balance sheet. So here you see that we are actually looking, and we have net sales minus expenses equal our net income. And then we see that our net income is actually right here as part of our statement of retained earnings. And we have beginning balance, right? And our net income, which is above, is $833, gets transferred down. Now we see our ending, once we subtract our cash dividends, we see our ending retained earnings balance of $12,364. And we will continue and go through that and see that our ending balance of that $12,364 is actually right here in retained earnings. So, and our assets, liabilities, and stockholders' equity equals, and so you see we have here total assets, and then our total assets here, and basically then we have other equity that is subtracted to equal that. And now our cash and cash equivalents is basically on our statement of cash flows, where we have operating, investing, and financing activities, and this amount is what's listed as our first asset, which is